Problem number 7. The table below shows the cost of items needed to play soccer. Susan concludes that the average cost of soccer supplies are $7.89. So I'm looking at the list here. Cost of soccer supplies. These are the actual supplies, and these are how much they cost. So soccer balls are $1.99 each. Cleats are $15 a pair. Practice cones are 99 cents each. Shin guards are $2.45 a pair. Uniforms are $5.99 each. And a goal is $20.89 each. Okay? So I'm thinking about this thing she said, the average cost. Normally when I think average, I think add all the numbers up and divide by how many there are. So I could do that. I could add all of these up and divide by how many there are. Let me see what that would give me. So I'll put that in my calculator so I can do that part real quick. 1.99 plus $15 plus 0.99 plus 2.45 plus 5.99 plus 20.89. Alright, so I added them all up, and now I'm going to divide by how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm dividing by 6. Yeah, it looks kind of like $7.89. But I don't know, because I would probably get more than one soccer ball, and I'd probably get a whole bunch of pairs of cleats if it's for my whole team. I'd probably get a couple of practice cones, and a few shin guards for my team, and a lot of uniforms for my team. But probably only get 2 goals. I don't know how many of each one of these things I'm going to need. Or if that's part of the average, because normally if I averaged, I would have some more of some of these. Oh well, let's see what the question is asking. It says, why is Susan making an incorrect conclusion? Oh, so it's not $7.89. She's making an incorrect conclusion. So what's making it incorrect? A, Susan thinks that the soccer team needs the same number of each item. Now that's what we did. When we first added it all up and divided by how many there are, we only accounted for one of each one of these. So that could be the answer choice. Let's look at the other options. Susan assumes that the price of the items sold in pairs should be doubled since there are 2 items. 2 items? No, because cleats are sold as a pair. You wouldn't want just one cleat. I don't think the price, no, I don't think that has to do with anything. Susan believes that the cost of items sold in pairs should be halved. No, because we're not going to buy one shoe at a time. And that would just be one more thing that we'd have to divide. No, that doesn't sound reasonable. The last one, Susan wants to buy new uniforms only. Didn't say anything about that. She was talking about soccer gear, all soccer gear. So I don't think that's it. I think it has to be answer choice A. She has an incorrect conclusion because her average is based on just the prices in the table, but we don't know how many of each one that we're buying.